trigonometry maths হলো analysis 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta turning 1 plus minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta plus sin theta 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2 1 plus cos theta 2 cos square theta by 2 sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 such that 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Now sin theta by 2 sin theta by 2 2 sin theta by 2 common, then sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 2 cos square theta by 2 2 cos theta by 2 2 cos theta by 2, then common cos theta by 2 sin theta by 2 turning sin theta by plus cos theta by 2 sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 cutting, then tan theta by 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta tan theta by 2. Can the analysis prove? I have to prove 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin squared theta by 2. It is a theory. This is a theorem. 1 minus cos theta 2 sin squared theta. And then 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos squared theta by 2. Okay. Please think, watch and realize it. And there is another situation. Sin theta is equal to sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Please analyze it. So 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. And now calculation sin theta by 2 tan theta by 2 cos sin theta by, and there is sin tan theta by 2 is equal to sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. And there is a conclusion. Please subscribe me tan theta by 2. Please subscribe me and analyze mind keenly, watch profoundly and watch this keenly and please subscribe me. Please subscribe me. Everybody progressive minus. Please study from and subscribe me. Please subscribe me. Thank you very much.